everyone, Ganuchi Sanok and welcome to my channel. So, the organizer Glen 21 Entertainment has officially cancelled Keyshia Cole's South African tour after 2 previous postponements. According to the organizer, the cancellation was due to continued scheduling issues with Keyshia's team, who recently requested yet another postponement to accommodate her upcoming global tour. Haibo, Lentombazan. The tour was initially scheduled for September 2024, right? Then it was postponed to January 2025 due to unforeseen circumstances that were never disclosed to fans. Come January 2025, it was postponed again to April 2025 after Keyshia was said to have been directly affected by the LA wildfires and lost her home. Now the organizer has pulled the plug entirely, cancelling the South African tour altogether. Yo, I got exhausted just from reading all those multiple postponements. If you are being honest, Keyshia and her team were never serious about this South African tour. She didn't even say a word about the tour until last month when she finally confirmed it via a video. And even that video wasn't posted on her own socials. It was shared on the organizers and ticketing pages. She just posted a tour poster on her Instagram, which she has since deleted. So Ugel was never serious about doing the tour. So while the organizer is saying the cancellation is because of yet another postponement request from Keyshia's team, the reality is that the ticket sales were horrible. The lack of genuine promotion, the silence from Keyshia for the longest of time, and the multiple postponements clearly turned the South African fans off. South African fans don't reward that kind of energy. If they feel respected, they fill up the stadium for you. But if they sense any nastiness, they simply won't buy the tickets. Kipeto Gitu.
Up South Africa, thank y'all for being so patient with me during this difficult time. I'm finally coming. I'm finally on my way, Joburg. Listen, at Big Top Arena at Carnival City, we about to turn up. I cannot wait to get there. But I already know Cape Town about to show up for me because last time I was there, y'all did the big one. Anyway, Grand Arena, Grand West, we about to turn up. Not only that though, hold up, let's talk about Pretoria, okay? Sunbet Arena, Times Square. Listen, right now, I need to show some love to y'all and I need to have some love shown to me. So please turn up when I get there because I cannot wait. Thank you once again for being so patient with me and loving and kind during this difficult time. I love you guys so much. I cannot wait to get there. Love you.